When we talk about a calling, in simpler ways, a calling is a pulling. The reason why people will look for confirmations from different men of God as to whether they are called or not is because already there is something inside that is being pulled. So they just want to know, what am I being pulled towards? Because every pulling is different. So calling is pulling. That is why people will leave their jobs. People leave their businesses. People will even change states. Others will go as far as changing countries. Why? Because there is a pulling. Family members will say, you are crazy. How can you leave such a good job? This is a good paying job. Why are you doing what you are doing? Did you really hear God? And in most cases, when people are called, it's not everyone that hears God. But there is a conviction. There is a pulling that will usually take place. And the Holy Spirit will guide that person. They will knock. Doors will not be opened. Not because the devil is behind the door, but because the Holy Spirit knows the moment that door opens, you'll abandon your calling. So sometimes things would look like they're falling apart, yet things are falling into place. Why? You have a pulling. Storms will rise, not because they were meant to rise. And others might be affected, not because they were meant to be affected, but because you are called and there is a pulling. So no matter the matter, you must go where the pulling is pulling you. If you look at the life of a man called Jonah, men and women who were with him suffered. Not because they understood what was happening, but because they had a man with them who had a calling. There was a pulling. Glory be to God. But to be chosen now, I've taught on that so many times, I won't even go deeper into it. You are born chosen. And every chosen person has a built-in ability to hear God. That is how you know you are chosen.